This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by WIMAUMA Bay. Welcome to this newly 2020 built spacious 2,415 square feet, 2-story home. This is an attractive and popular floor plan. As you enter the home, you will notice the long and inviting foyer, which leads to the spacious open floor layout and kitchen island with plenty of cabinets, making it easy to host dinner parties. While 4 of the 5 bedrooms are located upstairs, the owner's suite is the only bedroom located downstairs for your privacy and convenience. It is also equipped with a big walk-in closet and dual sinks. Let's go upstairs to lounge and entertain in your spacious loft, where you can have a game night or host the Super Bowl party. Step outside as you gaze into the aesthetically pleasing pond view within the convenient privacy of your gated yard. Clubhouse has a fitness center, pool, basketball court, playground and picnic tables. For more information,